And some good things that I noticed about the way you were speaking today, I felt like you were more confident compared to last time when we spoke. You
Are you?
same here. I think today I had some extra hours in the morning, so I said before I start work and start my day, let me get on to Clapingo and get motivated.
Okay.
So, what are your
So
plans for today?
today I don't have a specific plan, but today is Thursday. So like in the evening time, bus goes to the market. So in the evening time, I I would go to the market along with my friends, along my acquaintance. Yeah,
That's nice. So, you'll go to do some shopping. What would you shop for?
I don't have to buy any specific thing. Yeah, but generally like as banana and milk. Uh, I would buy this thing. And last time, yes, last time I bought it. I bought one unique thing, not unique thing, but it's quite good thing I can say, or how can I describe? Like it is a I have bought some different thing. I meant to say, like I had bought it, potable juicer.
Oh, those
Yeah.
pack of juices which come in packs?
Yes, it was small, okay, and that I have bought it. Let me show you.
Yes.
It is in here. Yeah. See, this is just
Oh,
the last time I bought it. It is a very good and portable juicer. Yeah, so like if it is a chargeable, it is chargeable.
mm,
So like it's very quickly you can make juice or you can make shaker. Yeah. So individual
that's
it is good to use. Yeah, and it is good to carry one place to another place. It it is for easy for if you like do if you're doing gym, so you can take there that stuff.
yes.
Yeah, so there's no need to another stuff like people take a shaker also. Okay, so and glass also. So here in this portable juicer, like you can make glass also. So it
Mm,
became if you open this, so it became glass. So you can just drink. Yeah.
yes. This is very nice. I really like it a lot. I wish I could find something like that here in my city, but I don't know. I might have to
Yeah.
search a time.
Yeah, you can find it. I think it available in India also. I think, and you can if you can go to the market and malls, you can find there. And if you like, you can search on also. I think it will available in I think the Flipkart and Amazon. It will available. I think.
I think that's what I'll do first. I'll search for it online, and if I don't find it, then I might go down to the market and search.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Thank you for that. You gave me a very nice idea. Now I'm going to search for this product.
Yeah, it is useful. I think. Yeah, because we are procrastinate. We procrastinate
Yes.
things, and like even we have a banana, so we don't eat, and even we have a milk, so we don't drink like usually sometimes because we have a habit. I have a habit, okay, like always procrastinate things. Okay, so like
Mm,
if I have this, so like I can use like just like I have to think, yeah, just make juice, so then we can drink. So it doesn't take much time also. Yeah.
mm.
And I have a honey. So I didn't use that honey for long time. So when I buy this, then when I make shaker, so I put that honey. So yeah. So now I'm using honey. Yeah.
That's actually good. I recently learned from one of my friends that honey is a good substitute for sugar. So if you tend to drink a lot of tea or coffee and you put sugar in it, you can substitute that, and instead of sugar you can use honey. So
Hmm.
I tried
Absolutely.
this recently and I think I like it much better than using sugar.
Absolute sugar is not good for health, as a doctor say. I think if you have experienced to people, so always when when they will get 35 and 40, so they get disease like sugar and another thing also. Uh, they
Yes,
they get, yeah, and yeah, that.
yes, yes,
But
exactly.
one more thing I want to add. Yeah, like if you specify you if you buy honey, if you are active, if you are like so active, so you can eat that honey every day in the morning time. But
Yes,
if you have a habit to procrastinate the thing, and if you are poor about this stuff, so if even you buy the honey, okay, but always keep in your almari. You don't use you don't eat every day. Okay, so yeah, that I do. Yeah, but now I'm using it because of the portable juicer.
yes. I think this juicer will be very useful because a lot of times, in the office, a lot of time is spent in front of your laptop or system, and we don't really have that habit of getting up and getting snacks on time. Sometimes we miss
Hmm.
taking our snacks or taking food on time, and a juicer like this will be really nice. I could keep it at my desk and have a sip from that anytime I want.
Absolutely, you can carry on your like bag also. Yeah, it is a very adjustable. Yeah, and absolutely that you have mentioned like for who work in office, for them it is very useful. Yeah, because they can snack outside. But the sometimes we are they don't find the juice people there outside the office, so they can make their own juice or they can drink. Yeah.
Yes. Exactly right. There are vending machines at my office, but a lot of times I want to have juice, and apple juice is one of my favorite things to have, but I don't find it in that vending machine. I go down to the cafeteria as well, and I'll ask them, sir, do you have apple juice available? They'll be like, no, madam, we don't have it
Yeah.
available. So this is a
Yes.
way that I can, make it at home and take it with me.
Absolutely. Yes.
Great idea. Thank you for that once again. And
Yeah. You're most welcome. Yes.
I think we've spent some time talking about this randomly, but I feel it's still good. It's a good conversation practice for you as well. And some good things that I noticed about the way you were speaking today. I felt like you were more confident compared to last time when we spoke. You were definitely, there were moments where you were hesitating a little bit, but overall, I would say there were less moments that you hesitated today. You were very enthusiastic when you were speaking. You were able to find the words that you wanted to use to describe or form your sentences. Uh, there was, however, one thing I did notice in terms of a filler word.
Mm.
Filler words are basically words that we use whenever we are thinking. We need a few seconds so that our brain can think about what we are want to speak next. So at those points when you hesitated, you use this filler word like very
Mm.
often.
Yeah.
You
Mm.
use this word in between your sentences. So that's one thing I would want you to try and consciously try and reduce saying this word like too much. So if you're thinking too fast and you're trying to form your sentence, sometimes you might hesitate in that way as well. It's not always about, not able to find the words. It could be the opposite where you know what you want to say, but you are taking some time to put the sentence together and you want to fill that a few seconds that you need. So you tend to use words like this, like some people say basically. Basically, this is what happened to
Yeah,
me. Basically,
yeah, people
I
have on, yeah, people have on filler words that like and yeah, yes,
yes, exactly. Yeah is one that people use a lot, and they don't realize that they are using it a lot.
and
Yes,
and you know also,
yes, exactly. Uh, so
absolutely.
yes, many filler words are there, quite common. So for you, I would want you to try to reduce this when you speak. If you find yourself using it too often, maybe take a pause and try and reduce it and try and form your sentence without saying that word.
Okay, yeah, I will work on it. Okay.
So today in our session notes, we actually had a topic that speaks about ghost stories. So we didn't get a chance to talk about that or have a conversation on that. However, we still have a few minutes. We could go through vocabulary related to the topic.
Yeah, we can go to the vocabulary part, but we have a, I think, minute. And so I would like to know about today's topic is ghost. So I would like to know, I mean to say, I wanted to, I mean to say, let me tell you what I wanted to tell you. Yeah, so can you ask me some hypothetical question about this topic? Yeah, ghost.
Okay. Um, so, have you ever had a experience with the paranormal, with ghosts? Have you ever experienced anything like that?
Mm. So far, I haven't experienced it. Yeah, when I was child, at that time, yeah, I was fair, uh, and I didn't go outside at night time. Yeah, that I experienced when I was child.
Okay. And do you think that such things can be real? That there are human spirits, ghosts that might wander in our world even after a certain period of time? Do you think it can actually be real?
No, I don't think it can be real because it is all our imagination, what we think. Okay, and if you are living alone, so obviously you can think about always that thing. Okay, and if you sleep alone at night time, daytime, okay, and that time and if you watch a ghost movie, so obviously naturally it come in your mind and you think like yeah it is real, but it is not real. And but yeah, like if you're talking about jinn, so yes, I believe in jinn and it is real. So yes.
Mm, okay. So sometimes you see in movies, right, where people are sitting around, they sit in a circle, and they try to do something to call or invoke some ghosts, some spirits. They want to call them, they want to talk and speak with them, interact with them. So, do you think that it is actually possible? Because there are many people who literally offer this type of service saying, we will help you speak to your loved one who has passed away. You can come and you can pay this amount of money and I will help you speak with them. And so these things happen in movies. You might have seen it. Do you think that again, such people who offer this for money, offer this type of service for money, are they fraudsters or are they could they be also real?
Yeah, it if absolutely it happened only in movie. Okay, but in real life, uh, it could not happen ever. Okay, like and yes, but if you're talking about jinn, so yes, some of the people or some of we can the spiritual guru, they have ability like to talk in the jinn, but I don't think they can talk ever with any ghost. Yeah. So
Mm. So jinn usually they are we only hear about them through stories, right?
Mm.
because most people think that they are some myth. They are not, they don't exist these days. So have you ever seen, or have you ever heard of anybody from anyone else that they have experienced something with jinn?
Mm. Yes, I have experience about. That's why I'm saying that. When I was child, I think when I was teenager, at that time in my street, one incident happened. I was there. Like one of the guy, he was going to the. He was coming from their workplace at night time, and then it happened. Like people were saying that yeah, the jinn, he caught his, okay.
Mhm.
And then we me and my friend, we used to go there. I mean to say, we went there, and then after we saw, yeah, his voice has changed. And then after the spiritual guru who were come in my street, so they went and like they were talking each other, okay. And then after for a while, then he went away.
Mm,
Yes.
yeah. So this is your personal experience, so you definitely believe that this is possible.